do what is the configurations are there in SAP, how to do the configuration. So you need to be alert and you need to be proactive for 1 day class. Then so it would be very easier for you if you prepare. So proactive is one of the important stuff that we need to get from the SAP areas. So actually, if you don't have proactive analysis, then it would be very difficult for you. So make research and get the knowledge. Okay, so proactive analysis is required. Okay,
Sir,
and yeah.
sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, I have been following you on YouTube and watching all your mock test interviews.
Okay.
Sir, the way they, the interviewers and the students are answering, absolutely amazing, sir. I mean, it feels like they have such a real experience, and the way
Okay.
they answer, the way they are explaining that their real experiences and their projects. So it really feels so nice, and So my question is, sir, like, what is the plans do you have for us for in the future, sir?
Okay, see, if you watch out my YouTube channel videos, okay, so almost in night batch, 37th batch, I think. Okay, so almost 30 classes are completed. But if I put any videos regarding that classes sessions or any presentation, that should be real time and that should be completely realistic. You cannot say this guy do not have any SAP experience. That way we will try motivate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, that is the reason you just follow suggestions and guidance and my YouTube channel. You can also have a look at mock test. Almost 10 to 15 mock tests are uploaded in the YouTube channel, right? So just watch out those mock tests, how many people are attended that mock test and how they are giving the presentations. Okay, so you cannot directly say this guy has do not experience. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, anyhow, I just want to get the feedback from you. So today, so how the sessions are going on, so how the people are getting knowledge. Okay, so is it good or bad? So if anything want to improve myself, you can also suggest. And so many classes are left. Okay, so we need to explain, we need to discuss the S4 HANA topics, asset accounting, controlling areas also. But for the time being, so we finished up almost 38-40 sessions. So just give your feedback how the sessions are going on and so how you get knowledge. So is it okay or bad? So just give your feedback.
It's fine.
So anyone please start.
Sir, I would say from your from your side, you are giving 100%.
Okay.
Sometimes we are even not even able to give that 100%, but
Okay,
we are
that's
really trying to.
okay. That's fine because you are doing some job and you don't have such a time to prepare entire aspect. So maybe you are a little bit back. So no problem. So you are understanding, right? What I'm saying. Okay, you are getting the point, right?
Yes, sir. Sir, only the one thing is ki, even after searching so much on interview, so not on interview, on Google or on YouTube, still we
Okay.
get some doubts that doesn't get clear. So for that doubts, we will definitely come to you, sir.
Yeah. See, if you
Yes, sir.
guys have any doubts related to subject aspects, you can
Yes, sir.
directly ask in the session. So right now I'm explaining asset accounting.
Yes, sir.
So you just want to know anything, just ask in the session. Okay.
Sure, sir.
I will ready to give that answer.
Right, sir.
Yeah. And Vinay Kumar, Sai, Sujay, Raju, Vasant Kumar, Nitin, anyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm Vinay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, the classes are very clear for me. Actually, I'm working as assistant professor, sir, from the last
Okay.
3-4 years.
Mm-hmm.
But the way you're teaching is like an expert. I'm not telling in a just I'm getting all the concepts of whatever you're teaching. I can, even though I'm not familiar with SAP and all these type of things, I know
Okay.
theoretically, but the way you're teaching and what I feel is that definitely I will get a job in a SAP, and the way you are
Yeah,
more.
you definitely get a job because so I assigned some of the tasks to you, so you are up to date. and completing the task in time, and you are also making research. I know how many people are doing here, also checking the chat box, performance status, how they are doing, etc. Some of the people are there, but so they need to brush up in some aspects. It will take some time. Okay, everyone should be perfect in all areas. Some of the people perfect in theoretical aspects, and some of the people will stuck with doing configurations, errors, and all. So some of the things that you will come across by making the research. Okay, so those things you will get it like that. Okay, anyhow, my side, so Vinay Kumar is better. So he is explaining the way he's explaining. Also, I checked it out, and Sandeep is better. Raju also. Raju is better in the theoretical aspects, but in the system perspective, I didn't check, but you need to improve that area. Sai Sujan doing making more research. He is also checking other sources, and he is fine. And I don't know Noor, so you see she is always silent, so she is making her best efforts to the subject. I don't know how she is preparing, and some of the screenshots also I've seen from the Noor. So, but she need to improve more. And Nitin, so Nitin, so asking the same basic questions, that is already repeated one. Okay, so already we explained those topics in the sessions also. Anyhow, Nitin, for you it will take more time, so you need to brush up in that mini area. Try to just grab the subject, okay, and do research from your side. Your research capacity is very low. Improve that. That's it. And some of the guys are still not attended today's session, and so just give at least your feedback. Yeah, Raju, Sai Sujan, how is the sessions are going on?
Uh,
Yeah,
so this is Raj. Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Sir, actually, the way you are teaching is really helpful and getting more knowledge. Also, we are getting additional knowledge that how to collect the information through Google wherever we are stuck or wherever we wanted to grab more opportunities in the Google is really helpful, sir. And also, especially the way is understanding in resolving the errors.
Okay.
Especially whenever we are doing and practicing the sessions, we usually get the errors right. So the way how we are resolving the errors, the paths, the ways that you have showed us is really great helpful, sir. And also I seen many of the friends, and also they have joined some other institutes,
Okay.
but within a short period of a time you're giving more information and you're concentrating on to give the more information with less time. But
Okay.
some other institute or friends, they're taking 2 3 hours times, the 2 3 hours 2 3 hours per day, but they are giving more knowledge, and also more knowledge in the sense they are giving so many things, but within a short period of time you are giving very good knowledge, very accurate, and whatever that you are going to teach, exactly you're teaching, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much.
With less
Actually,
period of time, we can
yeah.
easily understand with the more information.
Okay. See, actually,
Yeah.
what
So
happened? We have so many classes are still left. Okay, so real-time content is still left, but I didn't explain you the complete real-time aspects. Okay, so last 10, 15 sessions, which I will going to explain, that you will not find in YouTube channels. Okay, so where
yes,
nobody preach that sessions in the during the class. I am 100% sure, and we will give you some webinars and also some mock test and some interactions in the group. That definitely will enrich your skill set. Okay, right now,
yes,
whatever
sir,
the
yes, sir.
topics discussing over here, this is just like getting knowledge. That's it. But once you attend our seminars and workshops, okay, webinars, then you will come to know each and everything. That sessions are still left, and we will explain those topics in the last 10 to 15 area, 15 sessions. Till then, please be follow our videos. And thank you very much for your feedback. And you can also make research how the trainers also explaining from other YouTube channels and how I'm explaining. Compare those things, and you will come to know each and everything. Nobody will focus on the student area whether they have done or not, and preparing well or not. Okay, they are doing assignments or not. So our prime motto is to enrich the student skill set. For that point of view, we are asking each person, please do it, and also giving motivation to people to learn many areas, right? And the main thing is you need to be stand in real time. So that way we need to train you, motivate you, guide you, suggest you. So still some motivation and some of the important sessions are still pending. So these are all general classes. So everywhere you can find it. That is not a matter. Some of the real-time sessions we will still left, and we will going forward explain in a great manner. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this is the first batch in English session. See, almost 1 year back, I almost taken sessions in English. Okay, but after that, so I have so many audience from Telugu, so I just completely ignore the English sessions. Okay, for you guys, I started first batch in English, so that is the reason I'm taking this feedbacks. Or else I don't need any feedbacks. People from Telugu, they know very well about me, and some of the people from the other states, even Hindi people, so some of the NRI people also calling me and are checking their standards, and so they want to ask interviews. So many things are going on. Okay, so next, Sai Sujan, how the sessions are going on? Just to give your feedback.
Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, your classes are like very good, sir. And I am also a Telugu guy, sir. I
Okay.
and Sir, your reviews are so much good, sir. Because I got your reference through my friend only. So through
Okay.
his reference, I have joined your class. Why I have joined English means it will be like wherever in organizations we have to speak in English. So that is the reason I have joined in English also, so that it will be like uh, two-way interaction. It will be there, so it will be helpful for us also. So while during the class, no, what I have observed is like your motivation, like it boosts up, sir, our energy. Like it will give positive attitude, sir, and then we can go for. I mean, what you say, like it gives like so much confidence, sir. When you say like motivations in the middle of the classes, so that is like helpful for us. And the real-time scenarios, sir, what you give now in APP for the example, if you take APP, no, you have given more scenarios, sir. So that is like so much helpful. In real time also, APP is like I mean using so much, no, sir, while clearing all the invoices or whatever it may be. So that I have observed, like real-time scenarios are mostly helpful, sir. And
Okay.
the way you say, like, yeah, those are very good, sir, very helpful.
Okay. Thank you very much. And so, what about Nitin? So, how you are getting feeling this kind of training?
It's really very good. But sir, what I feel is that in my point of view means everything is okay, but I think there is issue with my some server issue, or I don't know. It is used by many persons. That's why means I am getting so much of errors, or what is that? I'm not clear about it, but getting the thing explanations which you are explaining is really very good, and the scenarios and everything I'm getting from your side. So it's from your point of view explanation, and getting from my point of view is very good. But practically on the system, sometimes the configurations and all that it makes a problem. I
Okay,
don't know
fine.
what is the reason. What is the reason means I followed each and every step, and still also there is issue with server, or from my end I don't understand.
Yes, but the thing is, actually, what happened? So you was not attended the classes for 7 to 8 days, I think. So
Yes,
because
so
of that,
seven.
you are little bit back. So anyhow, you need to brush up more areas.
I
Okay, just
I
you need to make
completed.
your capacity with respect of improving research, right? Research analysis is very important.
I completed all the assignment till yesterday, but this two scenarios of automatic payment programs I have configured, and I have made research from everywhere, and even I asked in the group from many people also, means any colleagues also, but still following the say still following the configuration in a perfect way. I am not getting that result in automatic payment program. These two scenarios. Otherwise, everything is completed for me.
Okay, super. Thank you very much. And next, Vasanta Kumar. So, what is your feedback? Are you there? I cannot hear anything from you. Hello, Noor. Noor, can you hear me? Noor, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. How was our sessions?
Yes, sir. It's a very good session, sir. Actually, I have missed my first opportunity in 2020, sir.
Okay.
So someone have misguided me that you are not staying here, you are not taking classes in India.
Okay.
You have moved to Australia. So
No. So I didn't go to any Australia, ma'am. So actually, I prefer to stay only India only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And later on, after an year, I came to know that you will be giving your classes from here itself. So then I have repaid here. First, I've joined a institute, sir. They okay. There also have learned something, but here it is more knowledgeable, sir. To be frank, it is more knowledgeable here because it's my bad that I'm unable to practice now. At that time, I was ideal at home. Now I'm working. I'm unable to practice now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, ma'am, for your feedback. So what about Vasant Kumar? Are you there?
Sorry to interrupt. Can I get to know how many topics we are left with, sir? Main important topics.
Many topics are there. Okay, many topics. Not see how many classes I'm taken right now. So almost 25 to 30 classes still left. Important classes completely.
Okay.
Okay.
So except asset accounting, DME concept and all.
See, once asset accounting is ended up, then I will explain P2P, okay, FI to MM integration, FI to SD integration, OTC, okay. Then new GL concept with whole
DME concept.
Yeah, so with whole see DME and all real-time content. Last 10 sessions we will explain those topics. Okay, don't worry. So I will give you complete suggestions, guidance, motivation. Okay, so you people do one thing, whatever the topics I'm explaining and giving an assignment, so plus do it from your side. That's it. So that is the reason I am also only taking 4 classes, 4 to 5 classes in a week. So we have 3 sessions, right? So just to focus on the 3 sessions for your practice and all.
Sir, after completion of this all classes, what are your plans, sir?
So like I will add you in the interaction group. We have interaction group. Okay, I will add you all people into interaction. So for your presentations and everything that you need to do it in the interaction group only. And also if any referrals or anything, so we will put in chat. So just to follow that referrals guidance or jobs searchings, anything that you can find out in the so that interaction group. Okay, so you are going forward. You are also meeting with the Telugu people, so they already taken training from me, and just compare with them how you are and how they are. That standard. So you just also comparing, and you get good knowledge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in interaction only English things will be going on, no Telugu. Okay.
Great, sir.
Right. Okay, this is end of the session, guys, and tomorrow we'll start asset accounting configurations and all. I think many people not attended today. So okay, let's see. Thank you. See you soon. Great.
Thank you, sir.